Your computer is slow? Follow this step-by-step tutorial on how to clean your computer. Like, share and subscribe this channel. On your keyboard, press Windows plus R to open Run command, then type temp and press enter. Temporary files folder will open, then press Ctrl plus A to select all the files and then press Shift plus Delete to delete the files permanently. If warning pop-up will open, just press enter or yes to continue. Next, press Windows plus R to open Run command and type %temp%, then press enter. Another temporary files from Windows will open. Then select all files by pressing Ctrl plus A and delete permanently by pressing Shift plus Delete, then press enter. If warning pop-up will open, just press enter or yes to continue. Next, reopen Run command by pressing Windows plus R on keyboard, then type prefetch and enter. Prefetched files folder will open, then select all by pressing Ctrl plus A and permanently delete by pressing Shift plus Delete, then enter. Next, on search bar, type CMD, then you will see command prompt app, select and run as administrator, then press enter. Command prompt app will open, then type sfc/scano to run the system utility command for checking corrupted files and integrity. Next, type check disk on command prompt, then press enter. Check disk, it will check and repair issues with the file system and disk drive. If these steps have not resolved your computer slowness, do the following. Open the computer's hardware and check if have dusty and clean with a hand vacuum. If you don't have hand vacuum, don't you worry, you can use hand soft brush and clean slowly the computer components without destroying any parts. One last step, you can check your system's memory slots and add more RAM memory. But it should match with the slots example DDR2, DDR3 or DDR4 depending on your system's requirement. If you like this tutorial, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.